What's up, everybody? I am responding to Jared McDowell's post in the Facebook group. He asks, I'm new to tool deals, so please help me out. I'm specifically looking for a wrench kit, including a decent set of wrenches, and I'm also looking for a drill, impact drill set. If y'all can link some in the comments, I really appreciate it. So, Jared, here you go. Here's your answers. So, first up, let's address the wrenches. So, I like Husky's ratcheting wrenches. They're $60 here. I believe that is a pretty good sale price. I'm trying to remember how much I paid for them. During the holidays, you might get them for like 49, but 59 is still good. Uh, I like these because they have a lifetime warranty. They work really well. I haven't had any issues with them. Plus, if one breaks, you could just take it back to Home Depot and get a replacement right there on the spot without a receipt. So I like that. Now, there are other sets out there. You don't have to actually get a ratcheting set. If you look here, you can find a non-ratcheting set. You get 24 wrenches for $50. But honestly, dude, for the extra $10, you're gonna love that ratcheting feature. Okay, so that would be my recommendation. If any of you guys watching this have any other recommendations, leave them in the comments below. But this is my recommendation based on the warranty and the quality of the tool. Does it have the finish of a Milwaukee? No, but it works just as good for half the price, a third of the price. Plus, you have that real easy warranty service, just walking into any Home Depot without a receipt and swapping that out. Now, as for the drill impact driver set, let's come on over to Acme Tool. And before I really get into this, the same deal is at Acme Tool, it's at Menards, and it's at Lowe's. So I'm giving you three different options to buy this. So I'm going to focus on Acme Tool. I don't really want to focus on Lowe's because Lowe's has been treating us really bad as of late. So that's why I'm giving you three different options. But you always do what's best for you. Now, this is what I recommend for the impact and drill combo. This is not really $249. It's $249 at Acme Tools, but they price match Lowe's, and Lowe's is $149, and Menards is also says view rebate. It says viewed in cart, but it's clear up here. You see, it's also $149. Now for that $149, you get quite a bit. You get a hard case, you get a hammer drill, which is what I recommend over a regular drill driver. One, because it's the same thing, but does more. It has a hammer feature. Now, unfortunately, this drill does not have their RFC technology, which means when it binds up, it stops the motor so it doesn't twist your wrist. The other thing I don't like about this is that it doesn't have a port here to attach a handle. Now, that may not be a big deal with this because the power rating is 620 inch-pounds, which is decent. But the real big boys, like the 36 volt version of this, is like 1200. But it also comes with a handle. That is what I have, and that is what I prefer. But this is going to do pretty much anything, minus humongous jobs. If you're not in construction, you don't need all that. This will be perfectly fine. Now moving on to this impact driver though, this is the triple hammer Metabo HPT. It's IP56 rated, and it produces 1,832 inch-pounds of torque, which is excellent. It's excellent. Okay, you can definitely be in construction and use this. Okay, those are excellent specs. It comes with two 3 amp hour batteries. Comes with a little bit. Comes with a charger, and I'm not sure about this charger, but Metabo and Metabo HPT, they don't do a fantastic job at marketing. But the 36 volt version of this, I mean, it looks just like it. It'll charge both. Also has a USB feature on it where you can charge your phone, a tablet, whatever, and a battery at the same time, or use the battery to charge a tablet, and you don't even have to have it plugged in. Very versatile charger here. Of course, again, the hard case. Another reason why I like these, they have lifetime warranties. Okay, Metabo HPT service is excellent. So this is why I would recommend this for $149. I mean, you can get a Milwaukee M12 set, and that'll be 179, and they're not going to be as powerful as these, or have lifetime warranties, or have 2 3 amp hour batteries. I think that Milwaukee comes with a 4 amp hour battery and a 2 amp hour battery. So in addition to this, Metabo HPT also has a rebate available. So you click this little rebate here. If you purchase that kit, it doesn't matter where you purchase it from, because this rebate is through Metabo, and it is an e-rebate. You just go to the website, fill out your form, and you'll get a free 4 amp hour battery. Now, this is a 36-volt battery. So when you put it on 18-volt tools, which is what these are, it turns into an 8 amp hour battery. Nobody else has that level of technology. Metabo HPT does. So this is what I recommend, man. You're going to get the biggest, best bang for your buck with this at $149. Now, again, Acme Tools will price match Lowe's, but Acme Tools is also going to charge you shipping. Menards is $149. When you buy from Menards, you'll get an 11% rebate, but it'll just be a gift card to Menards. So if you don't live near Menards, or you don't go to Menards or shop there often, that rebate might not really matter to you. So, you can consider that. Another thing with Acme Tool and Lowe's, they both are affiliated with Rakuten. So they're both going to give you 2% cash back. If you've never heard of Rakuten before, use my link to sign up. It's free, and you'll get an additional bonus $30 cash back. But you have to use the link, because if you don't use the link, it doesn't work. You'll just get the regular 2% cash back. So you use that link, you get $30 cash back. I'll also get $30 cash back, and you also get an additional original 2% cash back. Now, Lowe's honestly is the best place to buy from, just because the shipping is going to be free. You'll get that $30 if you're new to Rakuten, plus the 2% cash back from Rakuten, and you still qualify for the rebate. However, again, just Lowe's has been treating us bad, so I don't recommend anything from Lowe's. I've been making any videos talking about Lowe's, but do what's best for you. Lowe's is going to have the longest return policy at 90 days, and you can just walk into any Lowe's and return them. Acme Tool does have brick and mortar stores, but they're not everywhere, not like Lowe's. And Menards is mainly in the Midwest. So if you're like on the East Coast, you're not gonna have a Menards. So that is that. If you live near Menards, you can always get around the free shipping and just go pick it up from the store. And there you go. So you have their options. So that is what I recommend for the wrenches. Get this from Home Depot, Husky, and also the hammer drill and impact driver kit. So hopefully that was helpful. Let me know what you think about that in the comments, and I'll see you guys next time.